so much for tuning to this video. Today we have a very special guest. We have my twin here, you guys. She's the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. Okay. Thank you so much for joining in my video. You guys, I'm so happy. This is my sister and I love her so freaking much.
Okay.
And we're born on the same day because we're twins.
Yes.
And yeah, can you introduce yourself, please?
Sure. Hi everybody. My name's Diane. And I'm Daniela's sister.
Girl. Okay, what else?
Okay, I don't know what else. What else you want to talk about?
This girl is the mom of my beautiful babies. You know, I have two babies.
I'm a mom of twins.
Babies.
I guess that's my identity now.
No, it's just that's my first thing.
I'm just kidding. But you know how like after you have kids, like everybody just refers you as mom or said kids.
Yeah, when I call her, I don't want to talk to her. I just want to talk to my babies.
Yeah, so I guess my identity has now become mom of Oliver and Nathaniel. Yeah, I had twin boys about almost a year ago now. They're gonna be a year in March.
Aww,
and so yeah,
my baby.
That's it.
That is not it.
I mean, what else do you want me to say?
This woman's a boss, okay? This woman's a software engineer. This woman is all over Instagram, all over YouTube. Make sure you follow her.
Yes, we'll put all my information down below. On Instagram, I think it's Diane Wayj, Diane.Wayj. And on YouTube, I actually have a YouTube channel. Funny story, I used to have a YouTube channel before her.
She still has a YouTube channel.
And I just got lazy, to be honest. But she's encouraged me to get back on there, and a lot of people have been saying that they'd be really interested in like mom vlogs.
Yes. And
then seeing how us millennials handle like mom, wife, and work. It's a lot.
Yeah, but, and she's playing the game. So please make sure to check her out.
Yeah, so check me out
on her social media.
Yeah, she'll put all of my information down below or on the screen somewhere, I suppose.
Make sure you click it. Go click it right now. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you subscribe?
Yes.
Did you subscribe?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You got a subscription.
You better subscribe.
You get it.
But anyway, today we're gonna do a fun video. Guys, this is like totally different from what I usually do. But I have a funny story. So I was at the airport and I was painting my nails, messing up. It was a whole mess. And this lady next to me, she was like, hey, do you want to try this out? And it's like this like stick-on nails. And I was like, sure. And she's like this awesome entrepreneur, and this is like her brand. And I tried it out and I really liked it. And she actually sent me like 8 more to try out. So I was like, we should try them together. This way. Okay.
Let the mom do it.
I'm gonna let the mom. I don't do this. Yes, so she sent me all these to try out. So we're gonna try them out and show you guys how they work. And also, if you're interested, I will have her link below if you want to go and purchase your own. But I also will be doing a giveaway for these because we reached 11,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the love, and I really appreciate every awesome comment, every encouragement that you have been giving me. It's truly awesome. So I'm gonna be giving these away for my first giveaway. Okay. All you have to do is be subscribed, follow me on my Instagram, QueenDanny237, and then just DM me and say, hey, I want to be in this giveaway, and I will make sure to add you. So yeah, let's get started.
Yes, let's get started.
Make sure you subscribe and put your notifications on.
So my favorite one was this purpley one. No, what is it called? Mauve. There we go. It was this mauve one, like what Jay-Z was wearing to the Rock Nation.
Why is that your comparison?
Because there was this meme on Instagram. Oh. Well, not a meme. It was this tiny little video on Instagram of like somebody from the party talking to him like, "Oh, yes, man, I like that pink on." He's like, "Nah, it's mauve."
I'm crying. So the one I am choosing is called Giza Sands, but it's really pretty. It's like this pinkish, but it's like kind of focus. It's like kind of sparkly.
Mine's better.
Girl! So you guys, as we're doing this, we're actually going to be doing a sister tag. I thought this video was like 4 different things. But
this one is, oh no.
We're going to be doing a sister tag. So we're going to open this, show you guys how we're doing it, and then start the question.
It has this nail prep pad. So I guess you take it out. And then you
clean your nails first.
Yeah.
So there's 5 steps. First, you clean your nails, and then you remove the clear cover from the nail tip, and we'll show you that. You peel it off and you just put it on, then you file your nails. It's actually really easy. And I legit did this at the airport, you guys.
Do you have a file?
And I think it has a file in here. And I'm the type of person that doesn't know how to do their nails. Like, anybody who knows me knows that about me, okay? So, like, the fact that I was able to do this at the airport before I boarded my flight was, like, win. Like, I was like, girl, win. I was like, God bless you. Like, I just met her. She just like, here you go. She saw me struggling. Shout out to you, Laura. Shout out to you. I'm gonna put her social media handles down below as well.
Oh, there's a cute little nail file.
Yeah, there's a nail file. Okay, I think we're supposed to open like this whole thing so we can actually show them what it looks like.
Open.
Yeah, it says open. So when you open it, it has like instructions in here for you for what to do. So it has all the like nail tips right here. And then here's the cleaner, and then here are the instructions. And then I used to got the nail file, but it was basically packaged in here like this. So super, super cute packaging, and also very easy to travel with as well. And you guys know I'm a consultant, so I can throw this in my bag easily, which is awesome.
Can't have different nails every day of the week.
Here are the tips.
How do you open this?
Yeah, and these are super affordable. You guys can see on the website, it's actually really affordable compared to what you would spend on an actual manicure. So yeah. How did you open yours so easily?
There's like a little...
Oh, I found it.
Yeah.
I'm excited!
Okay, so then...
So yeah, so it has like different sizes. It comes with 2 sets of 8, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
So you have more than enough to actually do like 2 sets with one of these packs, which is super awesome. And then it goes... Yes, it does. I did it for me and Aryan. So what you can do is like, you can do
cut
2 for each, because your nail's not that long.
Oh,
so look,
I see what
so you can save it. So you can take like one and then do the other side. So
interesting.
Yeah, so if you have bigger nails, you have like, you know, for your big, what is this called, your thumb, and it goes smaller and smaller depending on how big your nails are. So yeah, they're really cute. All right, ready? She's just ready to go. Oh my gosh. So you tear it, and then you peel the clear part off.
Oh, we peeled it.
Like so. I'm not good at this.
Okay.
Okay, and then second step. Oh my gosh, you guys.
You peel the other part off? Oh, okay.
You peel the polish strip itself. You don't peel the end part off yet. So like you put like this.
Mm-hmm.
You peel that off.
Mm-hmm.
Off of the tape. So the cardboard is now gone. And now you tear off the tip. Well, you pick which side you want to put on your nail. So like I'm gonna go like this, right? So I'm gonna tear off my tip on the side. You see?
Mm-hmm.
This tip goes away. And then you place on your nail. Wait, we didn't clean our nails.
I already did.
Well, we cleaned our nails before the video. I
cleaned my nails.
You cleaned it?
Yep, with the little...
Ah! Okay, I'm gonna do it after. Sorry, thumb. It's not gonna work out for you well today. But what you do is just like literally just place it on your thumb. And then like, I'm gonna fix it.
Well, the one thing I do like about it is that it's less of a mess.
Yeah, it's way less. But look, I already messed up. It's okay. This is trial and error, you guys. We're gonna try another one. But I think let's start the questions now while we're doing this.
Okay, fine. One thumb looks good. I think it really helps if your like nails are super smooth underneath the shoe.
Yeah, especially for the clear colored, like the simple colored ones.
Yeah, because my nails were
like
not
thin.
that smooth because I had.
Oh, because you had the glue under.
Mm-hmm. But you know what? It's not bad.
I think the more practice you have, the better you get at it. I think that's the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so now we're finished our nails. You want to show our nails?
I only did one hand.
Can you guys? Yeah, you guys can see. So what are your final thoughts on Color Street's stick-on nails?
I think that it's a really cool idea. I do think that maybe like, I don't know, like Daniela said, if they were a little bit thicker, they might be better to put on because they're so thin, like it's really hard to put them
like
on.
Handle them.
Yeah, to handle them and put them on so they're smooth.
Yeah.
But I definitely think it's a really good idea, like if you're in a hurry and like you're not, like you don't have time to get your nails done, like, and you want to just like quickly do something. It's a really cute idea. And also I think that you also have to make sure that your nails are super smooth underneath as well.
Yeah, make sure you use the cleaner under so they're clean. But like the first ones I did were like the sparkly ones, and it was really easy to handle them because it was really thick. These were a little bit harder, but I think they still turned out pretty nicely. And like Diane said, if you're like someone who's always on the go, this is great. So for me, what up, Mom? You always try to yawn.
I'm tired. A girl is late.
Come on, she's tired. It's late.
It's way past my bedtime. It's 11:30.
Diane is such a mom now. Oh my gosh.
I am a mom.
Period. You're a mom.
Goodbye.
And I'm a mom too. Like, what you mean? I went to my baby's dress last night. But anyway. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much, Laura, for sending these over. I really enjoyed them. If you guys want to try them out, I am doing a giveaway. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to Diane's channel. Actually, yeah, subscribe to Diane's channel as well. And then follow me on Instagram at QueenDiane237. Follow her on Instagram at
DianeWayJ. Literally.
Isn't it? It's dots.
Yes, Diane.WayJ.
I know her Instagram better than she does.
Anyways, she'll put the information down below.
Yes, and then DM us both and be like, we're in. Like, I'm in. So then we know that you want to try this.
Yeah, and maybe we'll include a special package in there.
Ooh. Make sure you join the giveaway if you want to try these nails. But anyway, thank you so much, my big sister, for coming on this video.
Thank you. It was lovely to meet you guys all. Sorry if my voice sounds like this. I'm just a little bit stuffy at the moment. Another perk of being a mom. She sounds
perfect.
Because, you know, your kids are always sick and then you're sick and then...
your kids are never sick. Name of Jesus. My kids are not sick. I don't know what she's talking about.
It's like a cycle and then your husband gets sick and then...
God forbid.
Just keeps going. Anyways.
God forbid. Why would you speak that thing against your family?
I'm not speaking anything against
They don't get
I'm
sick.
Just saying, like...
They don't get sick. I don't know what she's talking about.
Okay.
However, if you guys want to see her more often, let us know in the comments. We'll do more videos together because I like doing stuff with her. Because I love her and stuff. Right. And if you think we look alike, let me know in the comments. Because people think that we're twins all the time. Look alike.
I mean, I also
usually we have our natural hair together.
Yeah, and that helps a lot.
Yeah, because my hair is braided and your hair is not, so it looks like we're different. But like, yeah, we're usually like twins.
Yeah, and I also put on some pounds, so that doesn't help.
Like, stop.
I'm not coming on my life. I like my pounds.
Yes. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.